You're not gonna believe where we are staying for our next tiny house.
Give them a hint.
Bilbo Baggins.
Bilbo Baggins!
Okay, that definitely gives it away. But yes, we are staying in a Hobbit house. This is the Tiny House Chronicles. So this place is called the Hobbit House LA. It's actually in South LA, like near Palos Verdes.
A lot of hills, a lot of cool surf spots. We're very excited to check this place out.
All right, 3 things you're most excited for about staying in a Hobbit house. Go.
No shoes, watching The Hobbit, and drink wine with the Hobbits.
Welcome to the Hobbit House LA. This Hobbit-inspired tiny house is located in South Bay, Los Angeles, and brings dreams of staying in the Shire to life with a unique modern twist. The builder and owner John has always loved JRR Tolkien, and the Hobbit House started as a passion project. He originally planned to use it as a wine cellar and home office, but then turned it into an Airbnb for others to enjoy this unique experience too.
The Hobbit House is made out of a 40-foot shipping container covered in stone that was dug up from the ground and features a live roof of weeping willow grass.
The design throughout the tiny home is modern and minimal.
John's vision was for the Hobbit House to feel warm but not cluttered, have all the essentials, and that's it.
The Hobbit House features a queen-sized bed, a full bath, a kitchenette, and a wine rack for guests to enjoy during their stay. And a Hobbit House wouldn't be complete without a circular door. The door was custom built from wrought iron and glass and was our favorite feature in the house.
This tiny house is a perfect space to rest and enjoy nature while still being close to everything Los Angeles has to offer.
The patio outside of the house is a perfect spot to get some fresh air, pick some oranges, and even say hello to a rooster or two. Hello, Mr. Rooster. What does a rooster say? The Hobbit House LA is in the perfect location. We had so much fun exploring the surrounding areas during the day. We're just a few minutes away from the Hobbit House. We're doing a quick little hike in Palos Verdes.
Yeah, supposedly it overlooks the ocean, so let's see if we can go find it. There's the ocean right there. You got Hayden, and then little poopers right there.
You guys, this view is literally insane. Look at this.
Going exploring with my babe and my pups.
Woo. We're about to go surf for a little bit. This is only a few minutes away from the Hobbit House. Let's go. Woo. All right, we're gonna give you a tour of the Hobbit House.
Yes, we are.
They have these cute little lights and our little rooster friends. And then you just keep going
And going.
around the side of the main property.
And going.
Until, voila! We're in the Shire. Look at this.
Where's Frodo? Mr. Baggins.
Hello, Mr. Baggins.
Mr. Baggins.
Where are you?
We have the ring.
We were super impressed by the work John put into building this adorable Hobbit-inspired tiny house. Even though it was attached to the main property, it still felt super private, and we had such an amazing stay. We loved everything about our stay, from the location to the design, but our favorite part was winding down at the end of the night with a glass of wine, sitting by the fire, ordering some food from a local restaurant, and watching The Hobbit, of course. Delivery!
pizza and pasta.
Yummy! Yummy! Thanks for tuning in to this episode of the Tiny House Chronicles. If you're interested in staying in the Hobbit House in South Los Angeles, information on how to book is linked below.
Do that in a full spin.